Hi, today I'll be teaching you how to update your profile information. Open your browser of choice. Go to the IIA SA website. The link is in the description below. Navigate your mouse cursor to the upper right part of your browser window and sign into your profile. Type in your username and password and click Sign In. Once signed in, click Edit Bio. Click the field you wish to update. In this example, we will update the email address field. Always ensure that all required fields are completed. Required fields are marked with a red asterisk. Once completed, scroll down and click Save Changes to store your updated information. That's it, you've successfully updated your profile information. If you have any questions or queries, please email us at member.info@iiasa.org.za. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to receive notifications when we upload new content. For more information, visit our website. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching.